going on, guys? Today I'm going to be playing another wingsuit. Yeah. Descriptions. Oh, it just kicked me out, didn't it? Yeah, let's go back in it. Come on. Yeah, there we go. Oh yeah, that's the game I was playing last time. Wait, was I? Nah, I'll do that later. I see what that is. Oh, this is a different one. Oh, I see. This one's not as cool as the other one. If you guys haven't seen the other one, you should look at it. I'm missing all the targets. Go down. Oh gosh, I got that one. This one's so much harder. No, it's not. It's not really. Go down. Oh, so it can't go up. So I get the project. Alright, sorry guys, I'm concentrating. I like the music. Music motivates me. No, I'm gonna hit. Oh, yay. Ooh, this looks like a good downhill. Whee! And glide. Ooh, got 3 points. Yay. I'm missing all my targets. Whee! This one's a way much. Oh, Here, let's see what happens if I die. Oh, just bone breaking. No blood, but bone breaking. What happens if I waste? Oh, that's what happens if I waste all my energy. Look, guys. And I'm sorry, guys. I'm just going to mute it for now because I want you guys to hear me. Now you guys can watch the ad. Whatever. So yeah. Sorry guys about the ads. I cannot do this without Wi-Fi. Why can't I skip this? No, I am not downloading it. There's a whole bunch of opera. No, I'm not downloading it. No. Yeah. Look, you guys can see how it turns red. See, it's green. It turns like that. Because I'm going too high. But I can, like, go like that. Get all my... No! Bam! Ooh, no! Can I change my character? Oh, these look like good games. Maybe I'll be doing some of these games in the future, guys. Sorry about the cracking, guys. Whatever. Okay, last one. Guys, it does not turn well. You guys probably hate my channel, huh? All I want is some love. Points be with the man that... Aw, man. Alright. Alright, so here, if you guys like this video, comment down below. And yeah, subscribe, comment down below what game I should do next. Comment down below good thing, bad thing, whatever you don't guys like about me. You probably don't like me. Yeah, usually people don't like game. Yeah, I'm gonna leave this episode here, and yeah, shout out to Max Chris. No, that's enough shout outs. Okay, like I already shouted out him before. Oh yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.